right? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are here with the 2006 Nissan 350z. We got my shadow right here as well, but we are on a brand new GoPro Hero 10. I actually picked it up yesterday. I want to thank you guys for watching these videos. Without you watching these videos, I could not have picked up this GoPro, so I seriously appreciate you guys for watching these videos. We're gonna go for a cruise right now because this thing looks insane. Man. All right, you guys, here we are in the 350z. It is seriously such a nice day. I mean, look at that. Literally barely any clouds at all. We're gonna go for a cruise right now because I don't know if it gets nicer than this. What is the temperature? 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. All right, let's do it. It is like the third day of spring, you guys, so it's just a good day. Like, spring is seriously one of my favorite times of the year because everything is blooming. We're cruising out of this park right now. We're getting onto the main road. Oh man, I'm super excited to be back in this thing. Honestly, I have not driven this thing in like probably a week just because gas prices have just been so nuts lately. I've been driving the Miata basically every day because gas prices have just been absurd. Honestly, I love that Miata. I pretty much fall in love with it more and more every time I drive it, so it's just a good vibe. Anyways, we're going through Red Hawk right now. As you guys saw from the title of this video, my 350z makes this noise. And it's not just my 350z, it's all 350zs. They make this noise. Actually, scratch that. I don't actually know if this is all 350zs. As you guys know, I have a 2006 rev-up 350z, so I've never actually driven a regular DE or an HR, so I don't know if they make this noise as well, but I'm assuming, oh Jesus, I'm assuming they all make this noise, so, oh man. You guys, this is the worst lane to be in because these trees and the root systems. But basically the sound I'm talking about is, it only happens above 5,500 RPM. So this is gonna be a fun video. And it just sounds like this thing is screaming. It's so hard to explain. The car has like this really smooth like climb. It's got this really smooth climb in RPM. And then as soon as you hit 5,500 and just step on it, it like turns into like this monster that I don't even know how to explain. There's seriously these roots that grow out into the middle of the road, and I have to like hug this side. We scrape on all of the roots, it's crazy. And then we start bouncing like that. It's only a 45 in here, so we can't obviously go too fast. So I'm just gonna get it in a second. See how it sounds smooth? It's smooth. And then over 5,500, just wait for it. I don't know if that was a good example, but do you hear, I'm gonna go this way. Do you hear how the car just changes completely? I think what we need to do is we need to get out onto some bigger roads. You guys, I can't show you 5,500 plus RPM in a 45 mile an hour neighborhood. That Mustang sounds pretty good, actually. Okay, we're not the only ones, okay? We're not the only ones testing out the RPM range here. Anyways, so while we're on our way over to the faster, safer roads, I just wanted to say, how does the quality look, you guys? I'm filming in a high bit rate. It should be 4K for like the first time ever. The GoPro Hero 10 definitely steps it up as far as the camera quality, and I'm hoping the glare between outside and inside the car is not so bad. I just hope it's better for you guys because that's all that matters. We actually got super lucky and we beat all the traffic back there, so we're cruising now. I think what I'm gonna do is go straight here. Of course, as a police officer. Oh no, it's not. It's not a police officer. It's not a police officer. It's just a bike rack. Yes. All right. Oh yes. Oh no way. Insane. All right, so I just like making some space between us and the last people behind us, you know, just because I'm gonna come to a complete stop up here in the middle of the road to turn left. There's no turn lane, and people do not like to stop on this road. As you can tell, we're hauling right now. So, I mean, everyone else behind us, we didn't even gain much space because they're all doing the same thing back there, but they're in like pickup trucks. So that's the scariest part. So basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn left up here, right at the base of this hill, when everyone has the most speed possible. I just cross our fingers that there's no one coming this way and it like makes us wait. Oh, we're good. Oh, I want to keep going, honestly. Should we just keep going? Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. We got no one in front of us, you guys. Never happens. Never happens. That's right. I totally remember now what we meant to do in this video. I get so carried away. I see open road and I'm like, there's no traffic? That never happens. Oh man, what a day. All right, you guys, coming up here is a campground. Same thing, got to stop in the middle of the road, so it's a good thing we made some space. We might be sucked behind some of this traffic on the way back, but I'm not too worried about that. That's okay. Oh my goodness. This is what I was talking about, you guys. Oh, there is a turn lane. I thought there wasn't a turn lane here. We're in luck. And look, that guy just pulled out in front of us. Turn into here, Vail Lake. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Vail Lake. It's a pretty nice little campground. Oh, you know what we'll do? We'll go through. We'll ask them if we can just turn around real quick. Hello, sir. Can I make a U-turn? Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much. All right. Should we go in the shade or should we just go in the sun? I think this thing deserves the sun. It really just pops. All right, we gotta get a quick walk around. We'll roll the windows up because it looks good with the windows up. Headlights are on. Ooh, brakes smell pretty hot, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. I mean, I'm just like, you guys, this is a 16-year-old car we have here. Jesus. We like wiped down the back. I don't know if you guys watched, like, I think it was 2 videos ago, but the back was just coated in like exhaust dust fumes, and we cleaned it up, and it's already getting kind of dark just from ripping it, but I mean, this thing just, it pops, you guys. So I should have checked my SD card before I left. I have 7 minutes of filming left. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can turn off onto that road, and I can show you guys what I'm talking about within the next 7 minutes here, because I really want you guys to understand what I'm talking about. The car just turns into a different animal above 5,500 RPMs. Is there anyone coming? There's no one coming. It's ours. It's ours for the taking. Oh, this is semi. Yo, we beat the RV. Oh, amazing. So one thing I've tried different with this new GoPro is I turned off wind, like noise canceling, and I think the audio is actually a little bit clearer. So let me know down below what you guys think of the audio and just the new GoPro in general. I'm pretty excited to go back and see how this footage turns out. And we have such a beautiful day. Like, I don't even think it gets better than that. Literally, it doesn't. Like, it seriously doesn't. So I'm just so happy there's no one in front of us. All right. We made it to this road, you guys. I'm gonna roll the windows down. We got some people up here, so we're gonna hang out for a second. All right. So, oh, we got someone coming. We gotta go. We gotta go. Okay, so I'm gonna get to. Here we go. Ready? Listen, listen. It's smooth, and it starts to like. You hear that? The difference between even 4,500 and 5,500 is just like, one is like this smooth, loud sound, and then the other one is like this just really aggressive, like it's like a mad gurgling noise. It sounds like it's actually mad, which is kind of cool. Oh, we got people turning in. Oh, we got a Range Rover. He wants the sauce. Range wants the sauce. I got sauce. I'm gonna try again, you guys. See if we can get that sound. So, smooth. Do you hear that? I wonder, it sounds like it gets more aggressive like the more wide open throttle you are. So it's like the more I press the gas down, it sounds like it gets, I don't know how to explain it. No, I wouldn't say louder because that obviously makes sense. Like it's raising in RPM because I'm pushing the accelerator and it's going faster. But like the pitch changes, but depending on like where the throttle body is, I'm pretty sure. Because I mean, you can be cruising at 5,500 RPM and it won't sound like that. But as soon as you just step on it, I mean, it like opens up and just, it's got that really crazy aggressive sound. So let's see if we can get it one more time on this straight road because I don't think anyone's gonna go straight here. Hopefully. No, I mean, of course. I literally spoke it into existence, I think. Oh my God, what is this? Like, okay. Just gonna cruise to like 4,500. See how smooth? Now I'm gonna step on it. Alright guys, guys, so I think this video is probably going to end because, I mean, we have 7 minutes, probably about 7 minutes to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope I was able to portray what I was talking about. One of the reasons why I absolutely love this 350Z, or just all 350Zs in general, because that really aggressive, like gurgly noise, you just don't get in a lot of other cars. Like in the Miata, for instance, when I floor it at 5,500 RPM, the car sound doesn't really change. So I think that's really interesting that this car sounds completely different. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked the new GoPro footage. I mean, it's such a nice day today. I had to go film something, and I cannot wait to film more POV videos with this. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see or what you guys want to hear. Let me hear your questions for the 350Z, and I'll do my best to answer them in an upcoming video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.